Hi friends, how's it going? This is my first video on YouTube. I hope you really like it, and today we are going to talk about Google's new WS strategy to track your web browsing and how to stop that. But first of all, let us see how Google is planning to do that. So Google has introduced a new tracking method called the Federated Learning of Cohorts, or in short, FloC. As a part of its Privacy Sandbox initiative it announced back in 2019. As per Google, FloC will allow personalized ads without the collection of data that can be tied to specific people using its products. By assigning each browser an anonymized ID and then adding that particular ID into a large group of other browsers with similar behaviors called a cohort, where only the overall patterns are accessible to advertisers, Google will try to screen your identity and privacy while advertisers still get your eyeballs. While it may seem benign on the surface, but many are speaking out against FloC. EFF says that Google is using a false dichotomy when it comes to privacy. There are also new concerns emerging as FloC takes your browsing behavior and uses it to create an identifier before assigning you to a group. Whoever wants to track you already has a lot of the work done for them. Also, in order to work for advertisers, FloC has to share your cohort data. Sometimes it will share the data with companies that can already identify you from, say, your login information if you have logged in into a site with Google to use a service. For example, information like your name and login credentials will already be saved. That particular info can be used to tie your cohort ID, which is supposed to be anonymous, to your user profile. That being said, if you want to see whether Google is testing FloC on you can head right over to floced.org, the link of which is given in description. This is a website that has been created by EFF, which requires you to just press one single button on the site to see if you are unwittingly among the user browsers that is being tested on. But over and above, how to opt out from the whole process? Well, for starters, you can always go the nuclear route and just stop using Chrome, switching to an alternative browser such as Firefox, which denied implementing the FloC mechanism. A step up from that could be, in terms of a little more inconvenient for some people, is the choice you have to simply download the DuckDuckGo's browser extension for Chrome. According to DuckDuckGo, it has enhanced the tracker blocking in Chrome extension to also block FloC interactions on websites. Additionally, the third way is to block the third-party cookies from within the Google Chrome app. So overall, this was the whole FloC idea of Google. And this was for today, guys. Now do comment your thoughts on it, and any suggestions for my next video is welcomed. Well, till then, bye bye.